Hello everyone, Gabriel here, hope you are doing well. Today we will play the HTB machine Cicada. It was inspired by my friend from cybersecurity course, Alex, thank you. As you can see, I'm already pinging the machine and I've added it to etc hosts, this domain. Okay, I see that it's connected and running. So let's perform the quick scan. Wow, okay, as you can see 445 is running, it's Samba, SMB, and 389 it's LDAP, and 88 might be interesting Kerberos, and that must be enough, but I still let it run till the end because I like you to see the full report. Now let's try to connect with SMB client. Alright, now Cicada created the directory because I like when it is organized well. Now SMB client, Cicada HTB. Can you see good? No password needed. Thank you, bro. Oh. Yeah, okay. But unable to connect. Error, but it doesn't matter. We can see here two directories like dev and HR. I don't think we can get into devs that easily, but let's try HR. Okay, SMB client, not that, not exactly like this. Okay, no, we don't need password, please. Okay, thank you. Notice from HR txt. Let's get that file to our local machine. Get. Copy selection. That's nice. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we found some password here, but the problem is that we don't know who is the user. We still don't get the user, so we don't have any username. So anyway, let's try brute forcing. Maybe we will extract some lists of users. I will show you how I do it with an XC. Cicada HTB, user guest, no password, RID bro. SMB, okay, 2. Okay, as you can see, we got some users: Emily Oscars and David Aurelius, and Michael Wrightson, Sarah Dantilia, John Smolder. Okay, we got several users, so for your convenience, I've created a document, user.txt. I will show you users.txt, and I pre-put them, all these options, into this file. Okay. And now let's try to run password spray with an XC. Sorry, SMB, Cicada HTB, users, continue on success. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this scan was finished. Here you can see all the details. Took time. Just wanted to show you. This is the address of Cicada HTB. You can see that there are many ports open. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we can see here Michael Wrightson and his password. It looks like we have some valid creds. Let's try dumping data with LDAP using LDAP domain dump. Sure, you heard about this tool. Here we put Mikhail Wrightson, and his password, possible password. Okay. Okay. Hit ls. Yes, we can see here a bunch of files. Let's go to Firefox. Okay, and where are the users? Where are the users? Thank you. Alright, same name David Aurelius and password. Okay. So second credits of David Aurelius. I suppose that these credentials allow us to view the contents of the network folder dev. Let's try it, why not? Going back to our terminal. Okay, so client. SMB client. User. Cicada HTB. Sorry. Alright, yes. David Aurelius and his password. And we'll see what's inside that. Let's take this backup script to our machine using get command. Backup script. This one. Thank you. Now let's get it. Let's see what's inside. Username Emily Oscars and her password. So these are third credits. With these credits, I will connect using Evil WinRM. Here, we found it. The first flag, let's take it immediately. Nice, nice. Okay. Okay, now that we've got the flag, let's proceed to privilege escalation. Alright, who am I? Can you see that? See back privilege, see restore privilege, see shut down privilege, see change notify privilege, see increase working set privilege. Everything's enabled. Okay, so we can see backup privilege. It's typically given to service accounts or administrative users. Okay, we can use these to dump user and TLM hashes, and afterwards can use the administrator hash to authenticate instead of a plain text password. Okay, let's do it. It is not that complicated. You will see. You will see it's really simple. Okay. We will use the rec command. We should wait a little bit. If I see that it is taking a lot of time, I will hit pause. Because I'm trying to make one video less than 15 minutes. Hello, brother. Okay, as you can see, I've put another command also because I can see it will take some time. Like you do the same with rect save, hklm system and semsip. Okay, problems with their VPN. I just quickly reload it. Alanim, alright. Now it's gonna work. Okay, as you can see, it's taking too much time, and I've put it on pause and I waited. I think I just will reset the machine and maybe it will run faster. So we stop here and I will do the part 2 of Cicada where we can get the root flag. Actually, it won't be that complicated because we just need to save these files and download it to our local machine. Afterwards we can dump those hashes, okay, and try to reconnect with evil-winner with the administrator hash. And that will be all, and see you in the next part. Take care.